A wealthy businessman named Victor had everything money could buy: luxury cars, a mansion, private jets, and millions in the bank. But there was one thing he never had: time. He was always busy. He missed his son's first steps. He skipped birthdays. He ignored family dinners. Whenever his wife asked him to take a day off, he would smile and say, "One more year. I'm doing all this for you." Years passed. His company became one of the biggest in the country. One evening, while returning from an important meeting, Victor suddenly collapsed. At the hospital, the doctor looked into his eyes and quietly said, "You have a serious heart condition. You may not have much time left." For the first time in his life, Victor was speechless. That night, he sat alone in his mansion. The expensive paintings meant nothing. The luxury cars meant nothing. The millions in his bank account meant nothing. He whispered to himself, "If I can buy almost everything, why can't I buy one more year?" The next morning, he walked into his son's room. His son was now a young man. Victor said, "I'm sorry I wasn't there when you needed me." His son smiled sadly and replied, "I didn't need your money, Dad. I just needed you." Those words shattered Victor's heart. He realized he had spent his entire life earning a fortune while losing the people who mattered most. From that day on, he changed. He worked less. He spent time with his family. He watched sunsets. He laughed at the dinner table. He created memories instead of chasing more money. Months later, Victor passed away peacefully. At his funeral, no one talked about his wealth. No one talked about his expensive cars. Everyone talked about the precious moments he shared after he finally understood what life was really about. Moral of the story: money can buy comfort. It can buy luxury. It can buy almost anything. But it can never buy time. The greatest investment you'll ever make is not in your bank account. It's in the people you love. Before it's too late, make time for those who would rather have your presence than your presence. If this story touched your heart,